We are going to go from Animal Kingdom to Magic Kingdom using Disney Transportation, and this is how we do it. Let's go. We know we want bus number 3 here today going to Magic Kingdom. There's a sign here saying bus gates 1 through 8. Bus gates 1 through 8 to the left. Or 9. Bus gates 1 to 9 to the left. At least it wasn't saying gates 6 to 7, was it? Bus gates 1 through 9 to the left. Yep, needs to go all the way down. Here we are, Magic Kingdom, stall 3.
Five minutes later.
Not bad. Okay, so it's 1:08 p.m. and we're leaving Animal Kingdom, headed to Magic Kingdom. And it is standing room only on the bus, but at least the bus was timely. We'll see you when we get there. Okay, you know it's always a good sign when you start to see the monorail tracks. Okay, at 1:25 p.m. we're at Magic Kingdom, berth number 8. There we are, Magic Kingdom. About 15 minutes later, berth number 8, we're there.